Good afternoon, YouTuber. How are you doing? We have from Bosch Car Service Barranquilla. We have a 2009 C200. Every time you drive, the customer complains, vibrates. It doesn't accelerate, and check engine light flash. And we checked it out. We put it on the scanner. Came up those coil. Normally, this coil won't go wrong. What's happened? This piece the one on the bottom. This goes. It starts misspark, and will cause hesitation. So and you cannot do nothing. You cannot buy this alone. You had to buy both. What I did, I bought 4 of them. This is the old one. You see, they have a little bit oil. Now we're going to fix it, the valve cover. But this is the problem. It starts to misfire from here. This is the problem. The coil. Every time a car hesitates, it causes misfire and stuff like that. That's all from the coil.